Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and find the settings icon and tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, tap on general settings, then scroll down, tap on the pair and sync, my bad. And here, scroll down, find the option paired devices. And right here you should see the list of devices connected to your watch, and we have the iPhone right here. Tap on the name of the iPhone, tap on checkmark to confirm. As you can see, it says pairing removed, and then it will say no devices paired. We can press the back button a couple of times to go back. Now let's go to our iPhone. Open the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So let's open the settings. Where's the settings icon? Right here. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. Then find the Polar Ignite on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget device. Tap on forget device to confirm. And the Polar Ignite should be disconnected from your iPhone. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.